This is the Blizzard Cheyenne. This is the newest offering in Blizzard's Free Mountain collection. It has a narrow 78-millimeter waist, which is typically suited only for groomers. The Cheyenne, however, is truly an all-mountain ski capable of everything except powder. And the secret to its versatility is its rockered construction, which eases the ride through bumps and chop. One of the technologies that Blizzard uses is called flip core, which takes advantage of the natural arch found in a wood core. The result is a predictable, smooth, and stable ride. The Cheyenne definitely prefers long turns over short, but it's a great ski for advanced intermediates on up.